Polar bears live in the North Pole. Elephants live in the forest. There are many crocodiles in the river. Tigers live in the zoo. The boys are happy. The dogs are black. The parrot is sitting in the tree. Look at the monkey. They are playing football. The girls are jumping. The children are sitting under the trees. He is holding a baby. The girls are running. Many children are running in the playground. There are many students in the classroom. She is holding a cat. He's climbing a tree. The bear is sleeping. The wall is so beautiful. The birds are flying in the sky. On Monday, I ring a bell. On Tuesday, I kick a ball. On Wednesday, I play with a doll. On Thursday, I sit on a wall. On Friday, I climb a hill. On Saturday, I go to the mall. They are playing football. The girls are swimming in the swimming pool. She is writing English. Many boys are running. The man is sitting on the bench. The birds are singing. The dog is sleeping. The cat is jumping. I am eating dinner. Many students are studying English. She is drawing a picture. The bear is climbing the tree. The girl is looking out of the window. There are many flowers in the garden.